Ever wondered why anxiety occurs and how to combat it naturally? Well, let's start with a bit of science. Anxiety is essentially our body's natural response to stress or fear, a sort of alarm system that keeps us alert to potential danger. But when this alarm goes off too often or too loudly, it can disrupt our daily life, and that's when it becomes a problem. Now, you might ask, what causes this overactive alarm system? It can stem from a variety of factors. This can include genetics, where a family history of anxiety disorders might make you more susceptible. It could also be related to brain chemistry, where an imbalance of certain neurotransmitters can trigger anxiety symptoms. And of course, our life experiences, particularly those that are traumatic or stressful, can significantly influence our anxiety levels. So, understanding that anxiety is a natural, albeit uncomfortable response to stress can be the first step towards managing it more effectively. Now let's delve into some proven and effective home remedies for anxiety. First on the list is regular exercise. Exercise is not just about physical fitness, it's also a powerful remedy for anxiety. When we exercise, our bodies release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can help reduce feelings of anxiety and improve mood. Next up, nutrition plays a significant role in managing anxiety. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fatty meats can help maintain a healthy brain function. Eating right can help regulate your mood and reduce anxiety symptoms. Let's not forget the importance of a good night's sleep. Sleep deprivation can trigger anxiety or make existing anxiety worse. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep every night. It's not just about quantity, but also quality. Make your sleep environment as comfortable and calming as possible. Finally, practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can be quite beneficial. These methods help you focus on the present moment, quieting the mind and reducing feelings of anxiety. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. It's important to mention that these remedies can help regulate the body's stress response and promote a sense of calm. They can be part of your daily routine, serving as preventative measures and also helping manage symptoms when they arise. Remember, these remedies can provide relief, but they aren't a substitute for professional help if your anxiety is severe or persistent. You might be wondering, how long will it take to recover fully from anxiety? Keep in mind, recovery time varies greatly from person to person. It depends on the severity of your anxiety and its underlying causes. Patience and persistence are your best allies in this journey. With time, you'll notice gradual improvements. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Together, we can navigate the journey to wellness.